nangyayon matuwa. Nahimbag, nagsapa, kanya tayo amin. Mabutang di agsapa, sansigat tayo namin. Mayat ay ado tayo amin, pehid di agaw, higa tayo amin. Good morning to each and everyone. First, I would like to thank our Lord God for the blessings that have been bestowed to the municipality of La Trinidad. Pasalamat tayo na unay kanya po Diyos, tangga na tatak, kat nakita tayo ng La Trinidad na isupay lang ng kapipintasa. Dito yung bingyan, handa ka dito yung bingyan. Lord, ito lugar tayo na Bilira ng Pilipinas. So, congratulations sa amin, the officialis di munisipyo de La Trinidad. First, as the mayor said a while ago, we recognize the previous or the former officials. Of course, they have mentioned already, na ito'y naragsak na dapat lang dito yung makibibiyang kanya tayo. Kaya't kumat nga mention, may naragsak na dahil niya langit. Ada po ni Nestor Bagtangpungan na naging mayor lang dito yung munisipyo de La Trinidad. Of course, with their help, as the previous officials, La Trinidad would be not this great today without them. So, sana salamat kanyayo amin no officialis di La Trinidad. Of course, the national agencies and of course, other officials in the province have been helping the municipality of La Trinidad. So, thank you very much. Of course, the incumbent officials headed by Mayor Amingan, the Sangguniang Bayan members headed by Atty. Galwan, for a job well done in sustaining the development and narami ng previous officials. Palakpakan tayo ng officials. So, of course, we recognize also our Congressman Eric Goyang. Thank you very much for coming. You know that there's a lot of projects been doing in the municipality since starting 2020. So hanggang ngayon, nami-maintain naman yung mga ginagawa natin tulong sa munisipyo ng La Trinidad, not only in Congress but also in the province. So, of course, with the helping, tulong-tulong tayong lahat, of course, from the Congress, national government, sa munisipyo, sa probinsya, sa munisipyo, sa barangay, tumog limitless La Trinidad. Naunang itim niya po awingan na maawatan. Ibig sabihin, awat tilimit natin Trinidad, mabalingag City Ubigat o manupay na daw, at syudad ni Trinidad. Well, so, with this, we recognize everyone. Of course, the awardees, amin-amin nga na dito'y. We have a challenge now. Of course, we'll be having the rainy season or the typhoon season. So, masapon siguro at coordinate yung may sak. Mayor Kalingan is starting it, initiating it, that we need to diesel or diesel Balili River. And of course, not only Balili River, but the other rivers of La Trinidad to avoid the flooding again during the typhoon season. So, amin-amin na munisipyo, tulong-tulong tayo ng probinsya, lumas na pinpintas kung maraming ng probinsya yung mapinggan. And of course, La Trinidad. Mabuhay La Trinidad. Thank you everyone.